Hi everyone, hi teacher. My name is Luisa Fernanda Sisa Acosta. I want to tell to you about my favorite music. It, this is video. I am going to tell about my favorite music group and their go song. I want to tell to you about my favorite music and my favorite music. Such as pop or rock, Bayford. I like to be bohemian. This is music was ideal for me. I like to listen to the group Queens. They are, they were, are, they were, are, and will be a very popular music group. Their song filled stadiums and their records sold to worldwide. They left a great musical trajectory. My favorite song is Bohemian Rhapsody. It was written by its singer, Freddie Mercury. Rock is a musical theme that will never go out, out of style. I like being a rock. Bye everyone, bye teacher. And what is your favorite music? Thank you.